What's going on, everybody? I'm glad you're here. I'm Jerred Z, and today I want to talk about being a perfectionist, all right? So for the last 20 years, I've been a photographer, and I've been chasing perfection. If my photo was just a tiny bit out of focus or like a little bit noisy, I'd be like devastated. But lately, I've been really trying to change my paradigm. There's a never-ending quest for me to get better at photography. And my question is, what can randomness teach me about photography? In order to delve into that a little bit, what we're going to do today is go on a little bit of a photo walk. I'm going to take the OM system, OM3, along with the 50-200 2.8, which I call Megatron. That's my Megatron, and I know he's enemies with Optimus Prime, but they're buddies right now. And then I'm also going to take my iPhone, load it up with the Mood camera app. The Mood camera app, even the free mode, allows you to go to a random setting that just throws random chaos into your photographs. It's going to change the colors, grain, all that stuff. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn what can it teach you about photography. At the end of the video, we'll look at my two favorite photos, one from each camera, and what I learned from taking both of those photographs today. Because like I learn every time I go out. I think that's, why I've gotten better over the years. So let's go ahead and go on a hike and see what we can see and have some fun. Now that we're back and I've reviewed all the images, I wanted to show you my two favorite photos from the hike, one with the OM 3 and one with the Mood app. And I honestly, I kind of love them both, but the Mood camera app is the one that teaches me something a little bit here. I love the lens flare. It adds a level of like uniqueness or weirdness that is really kind of what I'm looking for out of my photography going into the future, especially when I'm thinking about doing artistic stuff. I have two distinct sides of my personality, my photography too. One is like the perfection. I'm going to shoot stuff for walls and get that stuff in places. And then my other aspect of what I want to do is I really want to delve into getting better at artistic, more unique things. And I think the Mood camera app is really kind of filling that gap for me. We live in a world of endless, amazing, perfect photography. You can just scroll Instagram for a minute if you want to see like unbelievable work made by thousands and thousands of people. I keep scrolling sometimes and the stuff is so incredible, it just makes me depressed. And it makes me realize that perfection is kind of easy today. We have so many incredible cameras. The Mood app is the recipe that I need to try to expand my mind. That random chaos that comes from clicking and not reviewing. I don't review those Mood camera apps. Is really fun. And later when I'm home, I'm looking at the images and I find myself smiling. My OM system stuff is awesome. I love the unique rendering of the camera, the lens, and then the image pipeline. It's just incredible. I love these images. The image that I'm showing you right here is really cool. It's a minimal photograph. I'm trying to do more monochrome, minimal nature stuff, and this fits right in, and the detail is just absolutely fantastic. But the Mood camera app is the one that's kind of teaching me a little bit here and there. That's making me kind of break outside of my zone. It's given me the confidence to just shoot random and not pay attention as much and go with my heart a little bit, which sounds completely crazy, right? Again, there's two sides of me, that perfectionist side, which is the OM system stuff. And then I'm trying to break out of that, which is the Mood camera app. So here's the thing. You should go download the Mood camera app. I am not affiliated with Mood camera at all. It's just really transformed. I sold my Ricoh GR4 because of this, because I have no reason to take that out anymore. It's a great camera. Holy cow, the lens is awesome. But what I want out of my pocket camera is this. I want something unique. I want something different, nostalgic, something that can make me kind of surprise me maybe a little bit. And I think it's one of those things. I know exactly the incredible quality I'm going to get out of OM system, but sometimes it's fun to be surprised. So go download the app, share the photos with me, and then come back here, give me a comment. Let me know where I can see your work. I'd love to have more of this conversation. Until next time, thanks for being here.